Today, I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to add a cover to your video in CapCut using your PC. Whether you're posting to YouTube, TikTok, or just want your video files to look professional, setting the right cover can make your video stand out before anyone even hits play. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to choose, set, or upload the perfect cover image, all right from your browser, with no confusing steps. Let's get started. First, open up CapCut on your browser. Make sure you're signed in or ready at the home page, and then look for that Create New button. Give it a click. This is your starting point for every new project, so it's a familiar and reliable place to begin. From here, select Blank Canvas. Think of this as your digital workspace. It's just like opening up a fresh piece of paper, ready for you to build something awesome, starting from scratch. Now, it's time to choose the video you want to work with. You'll see the option to upload or select your video file. Whether it's a new project or an old favorite you want to polish up, pick your video and let it load into CapCut. Give it a few moments if the file's a bit big. CapCut handles most formats pretty smoothly. Once your video is in the timeline, look on the left-hand side for a small pencil icon. You might not have noticed it before. It's pretty subtle, but it's your ticket to customizing your video's cover. When you hover over it, you'll see it says Add Cover. Go ahead and click that. This is the feature that'll help your video look polished on any platform. Now, here's how CapCut makes things really easy. After you click Add Cover, you'll see another timeline pop up, usually right below your main video timeline. This is where you choose exactly what image represents your video before it starts playing. All you need to do is hover along that timeline. You'll see thumbnail previews pop up as you move the cursor. It's kind of like skimming through a flip book. Take your time here. Pick a frame that perfectly captures the vibe of your video. If you want a dramatic entrance, maybe choose a bright shot. If it's a chill travel vlog, maybe that sunset moment. Once you've found the frame you love, just click on it, then hit Set Cover. And you're done. That image is now the snapshot viewers will see before the video plays. But let's say you already made a custom cover image, like a thumbnail or graphic with text. Maybe you want to use that instead for a crisp, branded look. CapCut lets you upload your own cover right from this menu. Just hit the upload button and find your pre-made image file on your computer. It should fit perfectly, but don't worry if it doesn't look right at first. You can adjust or swap it out just as easily. Now, for a neat feature, you might notice some frames in the timeline are highlighted or marked as special topics. These are often automatically suggested as visually interesting moments, or sometimes they're picked up from your video's chapters. If you want to use one of these, just click on the highlighted bit, hit Set as Cover, and CapCut will make it your video's opening snapshot. And that's all there is to it. Adding a cover in CapCut on your PC is quick once you know where to look, and it makes a big difference in how your videos catch people's attention. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials. I've got lots more tips coming to level up your video editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing.